Remarkable. I watch all your music videos from back in the days. Yo, can I say something on live on the show?
I wish you would.
I used to go to the Hollywood Improv every Tuesday. You remember you used to go to the Hollywood Improv every Tuesday?
Yeah.
And I used to go to the Hollywood Improv every Tuesday to the open mic, and you would make drop-in guest appearance.
Yeah.
And you would go on stage and you would do these spontaneous 1 minute to 3 minutes, just these funny, absurd, live singing. It was just catchy, uplifting,
I think,
hilarious. It was phenomenal. It was, and those were the days where I just came to LA and I was pursuing stand-up comedy, and then seeing this guy on Saturday Night Live, and then seeing him physically there in the Hollywood Improv, doing what he does and achieving the same reaction. It was just like, man, I felt like I was really watching a dream unfold. And to be a guest on your show, man, that just blew me away. I just said, man, I really hope I can live up to this guy's expectations.
I've always wanted you on the show, you know, all the way back to, you remember the thing that they were doing in Santa Monica? It's not the is.com, but there was the, damn, I can't remember. It was like it was a thing where they would troll people, you know? Remember the trolling thing?
I remember that too. I remember that. Yeah, and I remember also when you would show up at the comedy store sometime on a Monday, and you would do your stuff. Yeah. So you were like, and then you would have all these guests, and it's funny because you would put these guests, and these are celebrities, and you would have these celebrities on your show, and they know what to anticipate, yet you would put them in these uncompromising position, because you would have them on this trend where they would be having a serious conversation, and then you would just throw something in there that's completely absurd. And
because it just can't stay the same, you know. If it's just like, how you doing? I'm fine. What was yesterday? Like, oh, it wasn't bad. You know, if there's no, like, you know, dramatic, you know, turbulence, you know, wild waters, you know, you're not gonna have that the gripping, you know. You're not gonna be able to grip your seat, you know.
Yeah, like Jimmy Falcon having